I created negative space with acrylic for the first time. Want to see how I created this floral romantic negative space? Keep on watching. Welcome back, divas. Hi, if you are new, welcome to my little corner of the internet. My name is Nathina Antoinette, popping like a bottle of Moet, and I'm your DIY It Girl coach. Over here, I basically show you everything that I learned about doing my own glam. Today, I'm showing you guys how I achieved this negative space with this acrylic. Yes, I feel like I ate this one up. Yes, I really love how this came out. To achieve this look, I'm using the Glitterbels acrylic. I really do love their formula, and I'm using the monomer from Kiara Sky along with my number 8 brush from Glitterbels. I'm still really learning about beads and the consistency of your bead and stuff like that, so I like to use a smaller brush. But yeah, this was actually a lot easier than what I expected it to do after like the very first time I really had a hang of it. So when I say the first time, I mean doing it on my left hand. If you want to check that out, that is a live video that I did that is still up. But yeah, I love this little floral situation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure that you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below telling me what other kind of content you guys would like to see. Chickens you've been tricking on can be a ride or die. You think it's right, you born. Looking boy, I'm good in every hood. So you fend up on the backwards. Flip the sun and show you what it would be like if you my man. Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy from south, the somewhere came walking in. I can't keep my pennies from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Going money fast, tryna make it last. Going money fast, tryna make it last. Ecstasy is just a pill away. Wrap it up or you can screw today. I'm just tryna hear you say my name. Let her play a role or be a Jane. You could be my toss and toss me up. Other hoes is lacking, call me up. Put my baby back and why I'm stuck. That's why he my man. Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. Talking so fine, I might hold it for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I'm a legend. 'Cause all night, going money fast, don't make it last. From a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've been enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love.
poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, Lowski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes on chains. But fucking I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it plays in my words of the night. We committed a crime. Way over long, no sacred spot. I can't be outside 'cause I'm against the crowd. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. Set on the show, I'm on the loop, I'm out of range. Certain others I don't need, I like to get it poppin'. But these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though Lowski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I see if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even though Lowski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I see if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows thinking I'm a bro.